Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your fort fees. Dear students, you are watching Class 6 Science, Chapter number 8, Plant, Part 15. So let's start, dear students. F. Answer the following questions. First, differentiate between the tap roots and the fibrous root with one example each. Dear students, tap root is structured with one main root and many branch gives anchor to the large tree like mango. Fibrous and cultural roots, dear students, roots help plants like sugarcane, maize to spread along the ground for anchorage, water and nourishment. Now, dear students, second question: why do stem get modified? Question mark. Give any 3 examples and explain how these modification help in the plant. Dear students, the stem of a plant get modified to perform a special function. Vegetables like potato, onions, and ginger are understand stems that store food for storing food. Underground stems get modified into the 3 main types, that is tuber, bulb, and rhizome. Dear students, potato are example of stem tuber. They have a small depression on their dear students on their surface as eye. The eye are actually nodes that have a bud from which new shoots can grow. Onions are example of bulb and ginger is an example of rhizome. Some plants like bougainvillea and rose have a thorn growing on their stem, which are the modified stem or the branches of a plant. These thorns protect the plant from the predator. Now, dear student, question number 3. What are the different part of a leaf? Explain with diagram. Dear students, you have to draw the diagram which is given page number 99 and figure number 8.13. I will show you, dear students. Dear students, the answer of this question, you have to draw the diagram part of a leaf which is on page number 99, dear students. And dear students, it is, I will show you again, page number, dear students, 99 and figure 8.13. You have to draw the diagram in your fair notebook. Now, the dear student, question number 4. Explain 3 modification of leaf. Dear students, leaf tendrils. In some plants, leaves are modified into a slender, often closely coiled structure that is called tendrils. Tendrils are sensitive to contact with object. Therefore, whenever they come in the contact with the neighboring object, they coil around it and help the plant to climb. Example: pea plant, glory lily, and wild pea. Now, dear students, come to the second, that is, dear students, leaf is spine. The leaf of the certain plants become wholly and partially modified into a sharp pointed structure that is known as spine. The spines can be used to defense purpose or may also be a means to check the rate of transpiration. Example: prickly pears and cactus. Third, dear students, the scale leaves. These are the typically thin and dry, stalkless and membranous structure, usually brownish in color and sometimes colorless. Their function is to protect the young leaf bud that they enclose. When scales leaves are thick and fleshy as in an onion, then their function is to store water and food. Onion is an example of plant with scale leaves. Now, dear student, question number 5. Explain the structure of a flower with the help of neat and labeled diagram. Dear students, I will show you. Dear student, in the answer of this question, you have to draw the diagram of structure of flower. with the labeling, dear students, you have to draw the diagram very neat and clean way in your fair notebook. So thank you student, stay home, be safe.